capex-heavy investments in an era of higher interest rates, inflation, supply chains being gummed up. So there are real-world obstacles to some of the investments that people are talking about. Sometimes payback rates are longer for nature-based investments, and they might be in other areas if there's a quick way. So let's keep our eyes wide open. This is, a group of realists that we gathered in this room. Even if there's a direction of idealism or change that you rightly point to, and we haven't even gotten to AI, which you mentioned. I want to ground the conversation.
It's not ideal, it's real. It's happening.
I never believe idealism should be the enemy of the good. So I want to argue for the good, you argue for the ideal. Andre, you want to say something.
Yeah. Well, obviously, I said saving the threat, and I will. But what I really like Andrew's work was this idea of coherence. We are a single planet, and we are all swimming in the same pool. We should sort of look at each other in a way of where we can really execute what it is that's needed. The idea of having one hand on the